Hello guys, today I am playing Rails Unlimited, whatever it's called thing, update thing, remastering project. And so, I'm pretty excited. I haven't played in a while. They've changed a lot, I think. They haven't had an update in a while, but they did have a sale, so I decided to buy the SNR. Yeah, I'm probably gonna drive Colossal right now. So this game does take a very long time to actually start. It takes about a minute and a half. And I have a record button and I started it ultimately as soon as I started playing the game. You won't see it, but in every end of the video, you know how my cursor is up at the top right? That's because I'm stopping it. So yeah, that's why. But so, it's right now 1 minute and 10 seconds. A minute 15. A minute 20. So yeah, it takes a while. So we're gonna drive Colossal. And so I'm just going to show you for this, and then I want to show you another game. So this is just sort of the intro, I guess. And this is Colossal. Now it actually is a lot different than it used to look. First of all, there are actually two other supply cars, and all of it was yellow, except the engine. The engine wasn't yellow, but like that, all of it was yellow. And they made the pipe longer, like a lot longer. It's pretty cool what they made.